Well, probably through the years I had probably difficulty with chewing to some degree because I always had multiple bridges and multiple caps and everything. But I think it was just really I was running out of options is what finally got me here. I'm still in the process of everything. I'm midway through. I'm far from done. But I have, yes, I have total upper implants, which I think really consists of actual 6 implants. Yeah, of course, it's wonderful to have, yes, because even bridges and caps and everything are not permanent and they're always breaking down. And this doesn't break down. This is permanent and it feels normal and it acts normal, you know? There's that's what I say, it's a miracle for me because I've had a lifetime of dental work